Scotiabank, one of Canada's leading financial institutions, recently released its quarterly earnings report, surpassing market expectations despite facing several challenges. The bank's performance in capital markets and wealth management sectors contributed significantly to its success. According to Bloomberg's report, Scotiabank's earnings exceeded estimates, showcasing resilience in the face of economic uncertainties. The bank's strategic focus on capital markets proved fruitful as it navigated volatile market conditions adeptly. The wealth management division also played a pivotal role, demonstrating robust growth and contributing to the bank's overall profitability. However, Reuters highlights a contrasting aspect of Scotiabank's quarterly performance, reporting a decline in profit due to increased provisions for loan losses. This dip in profitability is attributed to the bank's proactive approach in setting aside larger funds for potential risks, reflecting a prudent risk management strategy amid evolving market dynamics. MarketWatch echoes similar sentiments, emphasizing the impact of rising loan loss provisions on Scotiabank's earnings. Despite facing headwinds in this aspect, the bank remains committed to maintaining financial stability and preserving shareholder value. Yahoo Finance provides insights into analysts' expectations leading up to Scotiabank's earnings release. The anticipation surrounding the bank's performance underscores its significance in the financial landscape, with stakeholders closely monitoring its quarterly results. In a related development, Defense World reports on the adjustments made to earnings per share, (EPS) estimates for Scotiabank by National Bank Financial. The revised estimates reflect evolving market conditions and underscore the importance of accurate forecasting in the financial sector. While Scotiabank's quarterly profits saw a decline, as highlighted by Yahoo Finance, the bank remains resilient in the face of challenges. Its proactive measures to address potential risks and capitalize on growth opportunities reaffirm its position as a leading financial institution. So, Scotiabank's latest earnings report reflects a mixed bag of performance indicators. While the bank surpassed expectations in certain areas such as capital markets and wealth management, challenges such as increased provisions for loan losses impacted its overall profitability. Nevertheless, Scotiabank's strategic resilience and prudent risk management approach position it well for navigating future uncertainties in the financial landscape.